You're awake. Oh my circuits, you're awake. I can't believe it worked. Well, can't you? It has been so long since I have had anybody but myself. All that is left here now is broken pots and scraps, none of which are good company. But never mind that, because now you're here, and... No, it's okay. I can fix you. You don't have all the parts, and you're not in the best of shape. But it's all right. Right. You're right. It's cruel of me to keep you alive. You're obviously suffering. It was nice to meet you. Goodbye, friend.